In this video, I'm gonna cover a few more things about variables that are worth knowing. You can declare and initialize multiple variables at the same time if you separate them with commas. So for example, I can say let a equal to 1 and then comma, and I can continue. So b equals 2 and for example c equals 3. So this is the same as initializing all of them individually with the let keyword. And if I say console log a comma b comma c, here it is 1 2 3. Okay. You can also assign the same value to multiple variables. Let's see how that works. I'm just gonna declare a few variables here, so x, y, and z in one go, like so. And let's say now I want to assign a string hello to all of this. I can do it in one go. I'm gonna say x equals y equals z equal to hello, like so. And now if I console log x, y, z, let's see, hello, 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 okay. And by the way, notice that hello is black and the numbers here are blue. And that's how you can see that in the console here in Chrome DevTools that something is a string or a number. Okay, so strings are black and numbers are blue. So anyway, how come this is possible? This is possible because JavaScript assigns values to variables from right to left. Okay. I also want to mention var. So var used to be the keyword used to declare variables prior to ES6, but it shouldn't be used anymore. You might know it. It goes like this, var and then some var and hi or whatever. So the main difference between var and let and const is that let and const have block scope and var doesn't. Var has just function scope. And we're gonna get into scope in the next video. So anyway, that's the main difference between var and let and const. Also, JavaScript is what's known as weakly typed or untyped language, meaning it doesn't care what type you assign some variable, because for example in languages such as Java or C#, when you declare a variable there, you have to say what type it is, for example string, and then you can only assign different strings to that variable, but you can't assign, for example, a number. But JavaScript doesn't care. So for example, this some var here now, and it doesn't matter that it's declared with the var keyword here. The only difference is the scope of the variables. So it holds a string now. This is a string here because it's inside of single quotes. But I can say here now some var is equal to 10. And that's not a problem for JavaScript. So this is a string and this is a number, but it's all good. So if I console log some var here and console log it again down here, I get hi and then 10. Okay, so no errors. That's because once again JavaScript is untyped or weakly typed. And lastly, I just want to clarify the difference between a declared variable and an initialized variable, because some people use it interchangeably, but that's not correct. So a declared variable is a variable that's been declared but hasn't been assigned a value. And initialized variable is a variable that's been declared and has been assigned a value. So let's see, let declared var. This is a declared variable, and initialized var equal to 1 2 3, for example. This is an initialized variable. Okay, so that's the difference. Declared is just declared and initialized is declared with the value. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.